Welcome to Take a Look our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blue or red tint on monitor in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, what you need to do is just go to your Start button, then just right click on your Start button. From here, just go to Settings, then just let the settings load, and after it has been loaded, just go to the left hand menu and then just click on System. In System Settings, you'll find Display Settings, under which you'll find Monitor Brightness, Night Light, Display Profile Settings. Just go inside this Display Settings. Now in here, you don't need to worry about anything else. You just need to go inside Night Light. And in Night Light, just turn on Night Light, and you can change the strength of your Night Light. If your screen is blue, just change it to the right side. And if your screen is red, just change it to the left. And you can also have it off. If you have it off, night light would be off, but if you keep it on, it will be good for your eyes. You can also schedule the night light. You can schedule when you want it, and you can do whatever you want with it. Just whenever you want night light to be on, just change the time to that. I prefer it to be off, so I'm just gonna keep it off. Then you can just close this window. And basically that is how to fix blue or red tint on monitor in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.